If you've seen our channel before, I referred to the CA course by ICAI as the #1 program in India for learning anything or having a career in any field under finance or accounts. And in this video, we're going to talk about the different kinds of jobs, the different kind of profiles, the different kind of salaries, the different kind of companies, and most importantly, the different kind of career trajectory you can have if you take up CA as your career choice. So if this is the first time you're visiting our channel, then please click subscribe. And as always, if you find value in the video, then give us a thumbs up. Alright, with that said, let's jump into it. First and foremost, what kind of profiles do you get to work? Now, I'm going to always talk about this as a CA qualified member. But remember that when you're on article, a lot of these apply. Just to get articleship out of the way, I would recommend that the simplest way to get into articleship, the best exposure you can get from not only exposure of work, but also work ethics, what it takes, because most of you guys, for most of us, articleship is our first job, proper job. And you stay in a company for now 2 years, earlier 3 years. The best field to get into is statutory audit. Most people find it dry, boring, including, by the way, when I was doing it, I thought, what was I doing? It was so unproductive, I felt. But in hindsight, I got really good insights into various industries. I had conducted audits for companies in the textile industry, in the diamond industry, in the health and pharma industry, in hospitality industry. And I remember learning a lot in hindsight. Also, it makes you go through that grind. You have to work in the most basic way sometimes till you really perform. There's no escape from it. So you really get disciplined, and that I think will serve us for the rest of our lives. That's on articleship. Let's talk about profiles that you get as a CA. The best part is anything to do with numbers, to do with finance, to do with accounts, and for that matter, to do with entrepreneurship. All of this CAs can handle. From statutory audit, forensic audit, internal audit, under taxation, you have direct tax, indirect tax, international tax. You have under advisory, you have risk advisory, management advisory, consulting, mergers and acquisition, valuation, investment banking, venture capital, private equity. I can go on and on and on. All of this can be done by CAs. Some require additional qualifications, but otherwise CA as a base, enough CAs have gotten into this field. Now, this is all to do with the professional aspect. Coming to other aspects, if you work in all decently large companies, all require full-time chartered accountants. So you can work in these international companies, you can work in let's say you are a big fan of Apple, you're a big fan of Coca-Cola, you're a big fan of, you order on Zomato, Swiggy a lot. Each of these companies, you can work within them as finance or accounting analysts, professionals, whatever they require. It can be specializing in tax, can be specializing in operations. It can be specializing in reporting. It can be specializing in management accounting. CAs can do almost anything. Of course, eventually you can become most of the CFOs in India have to be chartered accountants. So, the highest C-suite executive position for a finance guy can be a CFO. That being said, there are so many CEOs who are chartered accountants themselves. Kumar Mangalam Birla is a chartered accountant, probably the most successful chartered accountant of India. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was a chartered accountant, and he was the Warren Buffett of India, and so on and so forth. We have politicians like Suresh Prabhu who are CAs. You can basically do almost anything if you're a chartered accountant. When it comes to the kind of companies, the entire world, at least starting with India, is open to you. You can work in small companies who are CA firms. You can work in small businesses. You can start your own small business. You can work in mid-sized companies, which are again, CA firms are professional companies. You can work in brands which you would know of. And you can work in large companies. You can work in a McDonald's, but in the corporate office as a finance specialist. I have, over the last year, met a lot of CFOs, all of them, or rather most of them who are CAs, across various industries. There's automobile, there is tech, so on and so forth. Companies become unlimited. Finally, the best question that most people love asking is, what is the salary package for a CA? Well, if you work in the big four or the big six, right? KPMG, PwC, Deloitte, EY, Grant Thornton, BDO, a qualified CA who has obviously completed his articleship, you can earn anywhere between 8 to 10 lakhs on average. And if you're a CA ranker, you can get 15 lakh, 18 lakh as your first job. After that, as you progress, if you reach up to a CF or any high designation, your salary, including ESOPs, can once again go in crores of rupees. So I think this covers the range of jobs and salaries for CAs. I hope that if you're thinking about a career in CA, while I can promise you that a chartered accountant, most chartered accountants who have taken it seriously will end up having a great life. Remember that the effort to become a CA is high in demand. So please be willing to put in that effort. I can promise you it will pay off. We made a detailed video on the details of CA under a mega series. Please have a look at that. And as always, if there's anything, please leave it in the comments. We'll make a video for you specifically.